everybody, welcome back to In the Kitchen. It's been a while and I've been touched because many of you have been asking when's the next series video coming out? And it's been a busy couple of months. I was in the US helping out a brother. I made a trip over to New Orleans and did a reset live. And then upon coming back to Italy, I needed to get prepared and launch a brand new part 3 series that just completed. So here we are back together, and I have been inspired of my experience of late of traveling, eating out a lot, feeling bloated and fatigued, and the summer season's coming up. And so often with great heat, we get bloated, we get tired, we don't feel like cooking anything. So I'm going to share with you something today, a recipe that supports you with that. So prepare, here we go. All right, so we are going to play with this lovely vegetable here, celery. I went to the market this morning to purchase it and watch the deliciousness that we create together. So let's get started. Often, when it's hot at the end of a long summer day, the last thing we want to do is stand over a blazing stove. And if and when we feel tired, it's really important to keep things simple. Celery is 95% water, perfect for summer hydration. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping the kidneys flush out heavy summer swelling and retention. Add high-quality extra virgin olive oil and garlic to taste. Add first the smashed garlic, rich in active compounds, to target deep inflammation. Then the celery brings the protective antioxidants needed to soothe your body-mind. While a fresh hot pepper adds a little fire to clear out that heavy, sluggish feeling. Halfway through cooking, the hot pepper goes in. Its capsaicin will fire up circulation to help the body release excess heat. Then the garden sage enters, creating a summer blend designed to settle the nervous system once enjoyed. At night, our digestion naturally slows. While raw veggies are perfect for daytime, when metabolic fire peaks, evening requires warm, cooked food to prevent bloating and a 300% spike in digestive energy demand. Once the celery softens, the cooking is complete. It comes off the heat and is transferred to a bowl. Blending physically pre-digests the tough plant oils, unlocking the nutrients so your body can absorb them effortlessly while you sleep. A smooth, savory blend, perfect for an evening meal. Enjoy it warm or at room temperature to ease into a restful night. Okay, so here we go. We're going to taste the celery, see how it came out. Not only it tastes good, but I know it's really good for me. So, if you haven't checked out ChristianePiano.com, to understand how this expression, that is so not a cooking show, but a way to support yourself in your body, mind, well-being through food, check out ChristianePiano.com and check out the other branches of the tree. Enjoy your summer and enjoy this nutritious meal. Bye-bye until next time.